Wait, is that part of Discord? What? Am I live? I think I'm live here. I'm gonna join Bullet too. In case anybody wants to join the live stream. Okay, test. 1, 2, 3. Are we going? I'm gonna check YouTube. Also, I want my chat. I want my chat doc. View your channel. Hey, this thumbnail looks terrible. Hello. Let me make sure audio's working. View your channel. Hey, this thumbnail looks terrible. I'll change the thumbnail once I get hello. Once I get more. Okay, let me mute this and make sure. I don't want that. All right, is Gortron doing some pretty? I figured out movement for the Polytopia turn planner. I could go into it. There's this guy. He's a failed project. He doesn't work. I figured out unit. I got terminal tiles all figured out. So like this is weird thing in Polytopia where if you got like a bunch of mountains, but you have a boosted knight, it actually won't give a fuck and it'll just go over the mountains. This is a real bug. Let me pull it up. It was a terrible awakening for me when I first found it. It was in general discussion. Let me look it up. Yeah, I was like, Mijiwan, what the fuck? Yeah, so boosted knights actually go over tiles. But I found out it's because Mijiwan only sets like terrain penalties to like detect if you're moving on to something. He doesn't like actually detect if you're on something different. So I've been busy. Been working on a bunch of stuff for like roads go through tiles like that. Just like really hammering out movement to be completely finished. Like if you have roads too, you can also cheat through it. Nothing too crazy. Let me make sure I have chat open. So I want to set this to on top. View, always on top. Okay. I'll just put you off to the side. So yeah, like that works like that. And like if you had two roads, you click play, you get over. There's also some other cool stuff that you can do with like terminal tiles. Like if you've got like forests, normally you won't be able to use like a road at all when it's like on a forest. However, when there's terminal tiles, yeah, like let me move it like this, because if I'm my troops over here, right, and we have roads, normally you can't use roads because like it just immediately stops your movement. But if you're on a terminal tile, you can actually use those roads, so you can move onto this, and you can get another 2 movement. Pretty cool, pretty nifty stuff. Oh yeah, it also shows now if you're on a road, it'll actually show the tile is blue. It's nothing too crazy. Anyways, now that I'm completely done with movement, I want to add units, so we can do like unit calculations. And the first thing I want to do for like enemy units is I want to have them all have different colors. So I could get really creative with it, right? And I could just have like, I don't know. I could have like my own system where like it individually goes in and it detects each unit. But that also sounds like a pain in the ass. So I'm not going to do it that way. I'm just going to... Basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a torso color for every color that a player can be. Polytopia. And then from there, I'll just put the heads on top. Put the heads on a higher layer. So that way we can have, for like all the different player colors, we can have all the different players, and then we'll just slide the head on top of that. Hopefully that won't be too hard. Do something like this. Boom. So basically what I'm doing right now is I'm just going to make like a tile sheet. Because like I put units on the tile map. I probably shouldn't put units on the tile map, but I have them on the tile map. That works for me. I know how to code with tile maps pretty well. I guess it's the only thing I know how to code with. So, yeah. Just gonna hash them out. Finish it up. Just erase it like this. No. Gotta be pixel perfect here, literally. Alright, we got our guy. Kind of actually like the little helmet here. We got our first color. I suppose, first of all, let me copy him, right? I just want one without a head on. I want one with a head on for, like, reference. I want one with a head off. Oh, okay. Vengir Lord Gortron. Hello, Willow. How are you? How are you? How are you? It's going good. I'm a little sleepy, doing some nighttime work on the Polytopia turn planner. As it goes, I'm getting all the different body colors done. Yeah, so like I'm trying to get like enemy units and stuff. If you want to chat, I'm actually in Bullet 2. I don't want to. I think Cross sleeping in VC in community talk, so I don't want to disturb him. How are you, Willow? 42 by 38, and I wanted this to be just 42 by 38. Control V, and then this thing should be. If I like try to shrink it, yeah. Okay, this one's 42 by 38. Okay, I'll do it like this. I actually don't want to do it that way. So I'll delete you. I'll just copy this guy again. So yeah, basically what I'm just doing is I'm going to create each unit without a head for like each different type of unit type, and then I'll change it to like all the different types of colors. And hopefully it won't be too much work, is the dream. I'll just do it for like all the different types of units there are for like all the different colors. Which was only 16 in the game, so yeah. I'll start by probably with this color here. This works fine.
Sorry, I don't know why the stream died. For me, at
Hello.
least.
Is this Willow?
Yeah.
Hi.
How's it going?
It's going pretty good.
The turn planner is going well.
Maybe I haven't been. I hit a little bit of a roadblock. I was like trying to be clever with how I made enemy units, and I just realized it's not worth it. I'm clever all the time. Just this one time, I'm going to be stupid with it, and I'm just going to do it like the brute force way. you know?
Yeah. I mean, sometimes you just gotta brute force things.
Yeah. So just getting her done.
Yeah. How like percent wise? How much percent have you done so far?
I've done all of movement in Polytopia,
Oh damn.
and that's about it. You know,
Okay.
I've done like the basic, like I've done all of the hardest coding that I have to do.
That's good then. Get the hard stuff out of the way first.
The hard stuff's all done. Well, that's the thing that keeps me like that's the thing that keeps me engaged. So right now I just have the rest of it's just all the boring menial labor stuff. Right? It's like I just gotta create sprite sheets of like all the different tile types, of all the different unit types. And so that's what I'm doing here. I'm creating sprite sheets of all the different units for like all the
Okay.
different colors, and then I just slap their heads on top.
I can't see the screen right now because I'm in voice chat, but yes.
You can't see the stream. I can
Well, I
live stream it.
can.
I can live stream it in voice chat too, if you want.
Oh, I just didn't. Yeah, that would be good. Sorry, I thought you said you were already streaming.
But I'm actually yeah. My stream still looks like it's working, so that's cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm just trying to have like some of this stuff documented in case anybody wants to figure it out later.
Are you getting paid to do this? Or is this like a personal project?
It's just a personal project. I'm just kind of like, you know, I was just like one day I was like, you know, it'd be kind of cool to have a turn planner because I'm tired of spend 4 hours calming my turns in MS Paint.
Yeah, I mean, it's tough. But is it gonna be like what? Is it gonna be like an image or is it gonna be like a word description?
What do you mean?
Like the turn planner that you're making, is it gonna be like you input
It'll basically record all the turns. So basically the idea is you take your entire turn the same way you would in Polytopia, and then the thing just knows, it just saves a state for each position that you change, and then you can like post it as an image, you can post it as a GIF, you can post it as a video for your teammates to look over.
That's sick. I would love to use
and
that.
then you could use it as like a link, right? And then so you can send a link to your teammate, and then your teammate can go into your turn and make edits.
That's awesome.
Right?
That's insane.
And the only reason nobody's ever done this is that you just have to recode all of Polytopia.
Yeah.
But
project.
I'm getting there. Only took me like, you know, 60 hours. Help.
60 or 16?
60.
Jesus Christ.
Yeah, it's actually a bit of... People were like, when I was first doing it, Blue was like, you're just fucking insane. He's like, you're not going to do it. And I said, well, what if I want to? And then he kind of just watched in horror as I just did it. He's like, you know, that's awesome, dude. And Blue's actually been a ton of help.
Yeah. What language are you using to code the whole thing?
GD script. It's what Godot uses.
I only know 2 languages, and I'm so beginner in them. So
I was a complete beginner, like in coding when I first started this project. But like I sat through a couple classes with Blue, like because Blue will help me like go through my code sometimes, and it'll give me a ton of like pointers and like some ideas that I should be doing long term. So like I got this pretty neat system where it's like it's all procedural code, so it's not like too disorganized. Like you can go through the code and figure out what it's doing. But basically, the whole code is basically just like a huge double matrix that contains a bunch of tile objects of the class tile.
Okay.
And basically, the main crux of the coding is just like assigning, assigning like it to be a mountain or like a mountain with gold, or like a forest with animals, right?
Oh, sick. Okay.
Yeah, so like the main thing is like I just assign all these things to different objects, and then I have a unit class that creates unit objects, but the unit class is a subset of the tile class, so they all belong to tiles, right? And so like I have a unit class, and that just stores all the unit data, right?
I see.
So
How does, like, if we're like making like in the final project, how would one input their map into the turn planner?
that's the tricky part, right? Because like there's no tool to do that, right? There's no tool that will just directly take a Polytopia map and turn it into data besides MergeBot. And MergeBot is kind of coded like badly. MergeBot's down all the time and it doesn't give you 100% accurate tiles, right? So
Yeah.
here's the thing, right? This tool, you can actually really easily create the entire map from scratch. Like
Why is there a cloud glider tile?
this is Cloud Glider,
Oh, like okay.
right? But like you can actually really, really quickly kind of just paint out your map, right?
Yeah, that's yeah, okay, that's useful.
Yeah. So that was my idea. Is like, okay, if I'm not gonna code MergeBot from the ground up, I'm just gonna have this thing where it's like, okay, how do I as quickly create a map as possible, right? And so it's just like this, you know. I'm able to get all the things right there. If I want a mountain, I can get all the mountains done, right? That's a spawn. And if you're updating this every single turn, you're only ever updating, you know, like 12 clouds or something. And so I'll just have it be like a save state so that, like, you know, you always have that information.
Okay. Cool.
Yeah. So, and then also, if it's going to be ridiculously easy to send all the data because all the data is just stored in a double matrix. So you can just send that to your teammate and your teammate can add in their vision. And then it's like, wow, you always have a merge bot available that's like always up to date. That's also more accurate than MergeBot and also in a higher resolution than MergeBot. So it's like, you know,
Better merge bot.
yeah, I'm basically just trying to like do something nice for the community, you know?
Yeah, that's nice.
Oh Lord.
Oh,
These guys. What happened here? Oh, I must have placed the normal guys on and then replaced them with
pixel art Imperious.
yeah. Look how cute he is. I fucking love this guy. I'm so happy with how they're turning out.
I've been
Um
having this issue. I recently downloaded about a new software for editing.
uh-huh.
Just because I got more work recently, so and every time I put a video like a video in this, it just turns so pixelated. I don't know how to fix it.
Oh?
Yeah, like it's actually crazy.
What editing tool are you using?
Vegas Pro.
Okay, so that's like a big boy editor, yeah.
Yeah.
It turns your editing it turns your resolution down.
Yeah. Yeah.
If it's Vegas Pro, there's definitely it's your export settings that's wrong. So you want to look at how you're exporting your video.
Okay. I'm just downloading off Drive, but
Oh, like the videos you download are bad, or the videos you're exporting are bad.
like I see a video like Ram Dingler will send me a video that's on Drive.
Mm-hmm.
I will download it and then I will drag and drop it into um Vegas and it will become pixelated.
Mm. And it's not is the video's fine when you get it from Ram Dingler.
Yes.
Does Ram Dingler record on his phone or on his computer?
His computer.
So try using an import setting, right? Like try directly importing it, not just drag and dropping it, just directly importing.
Okay.
That's what
I
I
will.
because my completely free software doesn't have that issue, but like
Okay.
it has like a bunch of different ways to import, and so I'm thinking that's probably where you're going, where Vegas is. It's like it's just like drag and dropping, so like it doesn't post directly what it is. It's trying to convert it into something that you don't want to be converted into.
What is this nerd shit?
What is this nerd shit? Get out of here! Get out of here, Weds.
Why?
I'm kidding. I'm doing the turn. I'm working on the turn planner.
Such a nerd. That's so
Bruh.
nerdy.
Bruh.
That's so nerdy.
What's your team? All right, I'll have my turn planner leak your games.
Yo,
Use it.
chill
All
out.
that, yeah, I'll just detect if you're Valkyries and then leak your information, your map data to us.
Yo, chill out, chill. You are still a nerd, though. Like, I'm just saying,
Okay.
like, what the fuck was that? What is that chart?
What do you mean? What's this chart?
That's so nerdy.
Bro.
Right, Willow? Right, Willow?
I literally, almost nerdier things, so I
Just say
can't.
yes. Just say yes.
Don't succumb to peer pressure, Willow.
Just say yes.
Don't succumb to peer
Exactly.
pressure, Willow.
Exactly. I told you. How boring that is. You'd fall asleep through it.
Oh, look, I'm watching my own live stream in the corner. That's so trippy.
No, I'm kidding. You guys have fun
Okay.
doing whatever this is.
Oh, I destroyed everything. 1 second. You need to
You
go.
guys have fun.
Bye. Bye-bye.
This again then. Just over expect. Okay.
No, let me stop watching my own live stream in the corner. That's tripping me out. Boom. Okay, so this is Bardor. Probably help if I did these in order of how they show up in Polytopia. So I'm actually going to do that. Where's my phone?
Alright, you guys have fun.
Bye.
I'll be yeah, goodbye.
Okay. Where is it? LMNOP. Huh.
I need to show off my tennis mug. One second.
That's so odd.
What's
Oh,
up?
well. I don't know. I don't know. I tried the solution and it didn't work. So,
What solution?
apparently it's on like preview mode. And I need to put it on like finish mode, I guess, or what is it called? Best mode. For like, wait, what? Let me just check. I'm reading Reddit. Hopefully it works.
Oh, wait. I'm going to show off my Tempest mug. Guys, this goes crazy. I don't think I have a single. Let me check. Let me check my viewers. Do I have a single? No, I don't have a single watcher. Don't care. It'll be there for the history books that I got a Tempest mug.
Oh, I'm dumb. It's just pixelated in the recording. Oh, okay.
Wait,
Let me just see if it's the same frequency or bit
I'm
rate
trying to
or
dox
whatever.
myself here. Getting over way off to the side. All right, here I am. Check this out.
It's so weird. Okay. Anyways.
Whoa. You see this mug? Look at the drip.
Oh, you don't watch your stream? Yes.
You
Oh, you got a Tempest
you gotta
mug?
see the stream here because it's my webcam.
The Tempest mug is insane.
Look at it. Look how I won this for Bullet Championship Grand Finals. Kicked Reaper's butt.
We didn't get Kraken merch because it copyright issues.
That's funny. What happens if you guys go in Bullet then?
Bro, I don't know, man.
All right, video camera's gone. I should be good now. I should not be doxing myself. I'm not doxing myself anymore. Let's go.
Where did it go? Oh, there it is. Bro, this new software, I don't like it very much, but I know it's better.
Yeah, I mean, but what's best is what works.
Yeah. Uh,
I use Shotcut because it's free.
Shot? I've never
Shot.
actually heard of that.
It's free. It does literally everything I've ever needed it to ever do. It doesn't have any stupid bullshit like a watermark or anything because it's all open source.
Damn, that's good. I know a lot of the free stuff have like watermarks, so
Yeah. No, it's like let me show you. It's I don't know if you care, but like I could show like my current video that I'm working on.
yeah.
God, I haven't booted up Shotcut in a while. But like what's nice is it's super lightweight. It's like 600 megabytes or whatever.
Damn, that's good.
I can do keyframes. I can do like I can put text up on the stream. I can put like images up on the stream. I can run like 7 or 8 layers.
Nice.
No, I don't want TBS prototype. I want open.
Sorry, give me one. I just want to check this video.
Oh, dox myself. Let's go. We love to see it. I think I can edit that in post though, so that'll be fine. It's also super low res, so I don't really care. Are you here, by the way? Oh, you're muted. I'll assume that you're.
Sorry, I just need to check this edit this cut that I just made. Give me 1 minute.
Okay. Anyways, I got my phone for a reason. I want to see the tribe orders so I can get all the tribe colors correct. So I got my phone, open in Polytopia. The first tribe is Jinji. I remember that much. Then it goes in does it go Maji next? New game, Domination. It goes Imperious next. Okay, cool. So I'll just bring Imperious over here. Don't do it that way. So I'll have Imperious. Get the base color. I actually want to see if this is different at all. No, it's not. They actually have the exact same colors. Thank you, random guy on the internet. Always leave it to the random guy posting on like a Reddit forum 6 years ago to have like the most helpful information possible. This is saving me so much time.
Okay, sorry. What's up? You want me to show?
Oh yeah, I just showing off my video editor. In case. Oh. Hi, Spark. Oh no, just saying hi to a person. But like, yeah, so like this is Shotcut, you know. I'm able to get pretty crazy with the editing, you know.
Yeah, that looks nice. It looks like that. Oh, damn.
If we look in the middle of the game, right? What I was doing is I have like this one graphic where I'm showing off like who we are, and then like which side of the screen is us, right? This is Bullet of Champions against Panetimal, right? So I have the Panetimal replay on the right side, and I have my live commentary on the left side.
And they're moving at the same time?
Yeah.
That's insane. It's nice.
Yeah, right. They're gonna get this village of ideas. So this isn't the final edit, because so that's why it's doing a bunch of calculations, so it's a little bit buggy. But when I go to export, it's all gonna run instantly. I really need to post this video, bro. I just want to record an intro.
Yeah.
Like I'm literally done editing it. It took me like 6 hours because I had to. Not 6 hours. It took me like 4 hours, I think. So that's Shotcut if you ever want to use it. I don't know. Is Vegas like a subscription model?
No, you kind of just get you pay once and you get it
Well,
forever.
that's perfect. Then you should use that. You should figure that out.
Yeah.
If you hadn't bought Vegas yet, I'd recommend. Shotcut.
What the hell do I need?
Dude, thank you to this random stranger. Shout out to let me find the Reddit post. Not this guy. He deleted his Reddit. W. Shout out to deleted. You the goat. Actually, I don't want people to know my Reddit. I'll comment that later. Okay, then I get back to my workstation. Okay, got a Maji. Wow, this is going way faster than I thought it would be. Okay.
I'm gonna mute for a second. I just want to listen to something.
See ya. We got Hoodrick. I believe this is Hoodrick's color. It is Hoodrick's color. And we got Luxador.
I'm not quite sure how to help you with that.
Thanks, Alexa. I'm a little confused why this is not working as it should. Yeah, that's a little annoying, but whatever. What am I gonna do about it? Okay, I'm probably gonna delete these guys' heads. Just do it like this. Cause I'm all be the same. You are dead. Now you are dead. Oh my god, there's a slight bug on every single sprite that I've made. That irks me. Let me just fix that right now, I guess. Okay, I actually got it there. I think Luxador has it as well. Okay, after Luxador is my favorite tribe, Vengir. I love Vengir. I love Vengir so. And then I had to copy you. And then after Vengir, we have Zabasi. They're the orange tribe. And then I might just do some research on all the alt colors. Okay, wait, that's Zambasi's color. Yeah, okay, I haven't used Zambasi yet. Cool. Amo. They should be cyan. Yeah, here we go. Wait a minute, I could be going so much faster. I don't need to go drum twice. MS Paint. Love you, Microsoft Paint. You the best, Microsoft Paint. Is there like a hotkey? There's gotta be a hotkey. There is a hotkey. Oh my god. To the hockey. Oh my god, this is amazing. Yadek. Here's Yadek. Oh ho ho. So I go primary, second. Fuck. Primary, secondary, 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 primary, primary. Awesome. After Yadek, we've got Aquarion. They're like the bright pink. They're not the super bright pink. They're the salmon color. Are they actually salmon colored? I have no idea. Just go here. Wait. Okay, I did it right. Boom. Boom. Okay, after Aquarion, we have Elrion. Just grab it like that. Pink. That does not contrast well with the background that I've got, but whatever. What are you gonna do about it? I'm actually gonna change this to the live stream thumbnail. Open up OBS. Oh, I don't think I can edit it from here. I have to edit it from YouTube. Edit video. No. Look at that. That looks way better. Except that I have chat in the top right corner. But what? I don't care. They do not pay me. I am not paid. After Elrion, we have Polaris. I think this post was actually made before Cymanti was added to the game, which is kind of funny. That's super funny. So probably just have to go download a Cymanti JPEG somewhere. Or I could just never add Cymanti to the turn planner. How about that? This guy's got Cymanti. Oh, this guy's got the icons. I need those. Okay, I think this has been purged. Oh, nope, it's here. Mooney. This might be before. Oh, this is before Cymanti as well. He's old. Yeah, 7 years ago. Okay. Is there Cymanti here? No, Cymanti's like a sickly green. I don't think that's it. Okay, let me go find Cymanti somewhere on my desktop. Oh, I just have it. Nope, I don't have it here. Default. Simanti, 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 hello. Oh, I have to do this for every single unit in the game. Not looking forward to that. Simanti Warrior. Should be right here. Just go to snipping tool. I don't want you. Just go in a separate layer to be set up. Get a little paste here. I'll just go here. Select you. Okay. And then I will delete this. Go back down here. And then I believe we go 1, 2. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I think I did the order wrong. Let me. Doesn't it go Luxador directly to Vengir? Oh, I actually don't really care to make that even. Silly. Oh, but I do care. But I don't care. Then I'm just gonna run through to see if there's like special colors that aren't like the main colors. There probably is. It's probably the ones this guy's got up here that I haven't used yet. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. I mean, that is all of the colors. I should have a land game with all the colors before. Let me see if there's any colors I'm missing. I have light green. I'll just do this on a separate layer to check all the colors. I have light green. I have this. I have Hoodrick. I have yellow. I have Jinji. I have a lot of Jinji. I have Aquarion. Ugh. I have I think that's Simanti color. That is Simanti color. I have Imperius, obviously. I have Luxador. I have. Yeah, I think this just cycles all the normal tribes. I have Polaris. I have Vengir. I have Elrion. I have Quetzali. I have. This is just Zimbati. Okay, yeah, I'm pretty positive they just cycle through all the normal tribes. So that should be warriors done. So I'm going to go like this. Like that. Now file, save as, PNG to desktop, all warriors. Save. Save as a flattened image. Now I have all warriors here. I can bring this into Godot. So go to units, unit holder, open in file manager, go to desktop. The, the lion does not wipe. Old warriors. No, don't. Just what are you doing? Just that's what I want you to have. You go in here. Awesome. Okay, that's warriors. First, let me incorporate them as like a sprite. To the tile set. Well, actually, first I should probably incorporate heads. Yeah. Heads are a bit of a pain though, because I have to like draw them. And I guess I don't have to, but I sort of have to draw them. They're not as easy as like the torsos. Tell you what, I probably shrink down the heads from normal Polytopia. Just go to File Explorer here. Also, let's get chat back up in case I actually have anybody chatting. Nobody's chatting because nobody's online besides Willow, who's in the zone. Go to Files here. Unit holder. No, that's for my Godot. I want to go here. Units. Could be in heads. I think it would be in heads. Hello, Shinji. Let's see how small I made my Imperious head. Probably add this to a new layer. On top, I'll just paste it. Ugh. You are... That's annoying. That's not all. Let me import this, because I don't want you to be, like, terrible. Polygraphics. Polygraphics. Heads. Please work. Oh my god, I almost deleted all my work. Import to canvas from a file. Head 1. W. Now here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to look at my boy down here. How big is your head? Bleh. This guy's head is 11 by 10. So now I take this massive head and go like this, go like this, go like this. That's close enough. I take the whole thing, resize, pixels, 11 by 10. Just crush them. And then I think I just go by and I copy this And then undo. Paste. Probably go somewhere along here. Anyways, I need to touch him up because he looks dead. Actually, you know what? If I was smart, I think I deleted a color. No, I didn't. Okay. Control Y. Bring it back to current, but not that current. File. Import to canvas. From a file. Oh boy. Okay. We need to make this huge. File. Import to canvas. From a file. Genji. And then we shrink our way back down again. We chat over here. Do. Like so. Now I grab it and shrink it to 11. Genji, you don't look so good. Control C. Now just undo. Undo. Now we're back to where we were. This isn't the Genji I copied. Reader. No! My work is gone. I copied the wrong one. Ugh. Go back out again. File. Import to canvas. From a file. Heads 1. No, I don't want to resize. No! Okay. $11. 5. 10. Scroll in a bunch. Why do you keep giving me the bad head? Control C. No. Here we go. Here's a good head. There we go. We got him. Shinji, you don't look so good. I'll just do some little editing here and there. It was so stupid looking. Oh my god. Oh my god, look how stupid he is. Ah. Ay, ay, ay. Oh, his eyes way up here. I love these guys, dude. I love these guys so much. Low-key, it'd be incredibly easy just to take the standard Polytopia assets, but I just love how stupid my initial little bit down warriors looked that I couldn't get rid of them, man. Alright. Okay, this is head number 1. Control C. I'll put him where he belongs, up here. Is there not enough space? Why wouldn't there be enough space? There should be enough space. 1, 2. There isn't enough space. I cut it off. Uh-oh. 1, 2. You're 41 by 38. Should be 42 by 38. 40 by 37? What do you mean by that? Oh, that's gonna be a pain to figure out. Whatever. Oh, I'm sleepy. It's pushing. It's a little past midnight. $21 by 37. Who cares? Oh, you're that. You're 41. Okay. 41 by 37. 41 by 39. You are 41 by 38. What the heck is going on here? Give me a Gingy head. Control C, Control V. Okay, you're fine. Chop off pixel. Cool. Cool, cool, cool. So now we should have Gingy up here. Voila. And then next I'll probably kidnap the Imperious head. Not too bummed out about erasing this. I killed him. I don't really care. He'll live. He'll live without his head. Okay, on to the next head. Man, that took way too long. But now I should have a more streamlined process, which is good. Bardoor next. Voila. Imperious. Bardoor. Copy. Okay. Save. Right. Of course, I have to actually open the file directly. My finger is high key cramping. I need to move my workstation somewhere else. I have to change layers here. Okay. Okay. I take this. I believe it's 10 by 11. Take the whole image. Scrunch her down. Bardoor don't look so good. Oh man. Wait, let me post an upscaled version of them. That is funny. Anyways, we got what we came for. Copy. Control Z. And we're back. Control V. We got our little Bardoor head. Slap him on top of there. Do a little bit of facial reconstruction on Bardoor. Oh, wonderful. Okay, well, I need to move my workstation because this is causing my finger to cramp. So that might kill the stream. Just have to unplug my computer. Honestly, I'll just call the stream ended whenever whenever my computer runs out of battery. I'm getting sleepy. So I'll do it that way. Is it just me, or is Bardor's head larger than it should be? I'll yank a gander at this. It could also just be that other people's helmets are too large. No. I have Bardor's left eye is the issue. So I'll just go here. Oh my god, this is way nicer on my finger. It looks so derpy. I can with them. I'll just erase this. Look at him. Look at that. He's a dapper chapper. The little horn helmet. Alright, next up, we just got a Maji. A lot of these are going way faster now, I think, now that I got a little bit of a flow to it. Alright. File. Trying to put chat somewhere where it's not terrible. Okay, Omaji, 10 by 21. One second. Or 10 by 11, my bad. Oh, Maji, oh god, what happened to you? Oh my god, that's so stupid looking. Oh, actually, he looks sane. Why does it do that? Ew. Oh, that one's so gross. That one's so gross looking. Anyways, 1, 2, 3, 4, back. Hello, Amaji. I think I made Amaji's head too large. That works. Honestly, I'm not sure I even need to edit Amaji's. Maybe I'll just give him his second eye. Yeah, that works. Works for what I'm doing. I'm going to give this a real quick save. Save as PNG All Warriors 02. Okay. Oh my god, this is a lot of work. But I needed to do this regardless. I'm knocking out 2 birds with 1 stone. Copy. Oh wait, we know copying doesn't work. Obviously. File. Import to canvas from a file. User. Okay, wait a minute. I didn't think this through. Kiku's head is massive. I think I'll just paint in his hair back later. That'll probably be what I end up doing, yeah. Lost a bit of his face. All the way back down to... Kiku, oh no! Uh-oh. This is why you make backups. Oh, wait a minute. My backups don't have the different layers. Oh. Oh, I may have shot myself in the foot. Oh, no. Okay, here's all warriors. That's a bit of a bummer. That something like that happened, but whatever. Okay, why is my erase tool not working? Wrong layer, that's why. Okay, file. Save as all warriors. Finished. And now that we're back to this guy, we'll just post Kiku. Oh my god, I never get old of this. Never get tired of this. Boy, you poor things. You poor creatures I have created. Actually, Kiku looks sharp. What the heck? How does Kiku mullet or hair look? Okay, it goes like that. Okay, that's Kiku done. Next up, right? And they could still. Oh, I painted it on the wrong layer. Okay, that's awesome, dude. Oh man. Actually, I'm gonna have to go back to the other one and delete all the heads. Oh man, I really screwed the pooch. File, import to canvas from a file. File, import to canvas from a file. Okay, and I think I just go like so. Okay, honestly, it's pretty easy to separate these heads. Look at that. That was clean extraction. Ew. Okay. Like this. And I think I've learned my lesson. I'm going to start using... First of all, I'll save it back up. I'll call this heads 01. Save. I think from now on I'll start doing this in a separate. And that's not what I wanted. File. I just want a second pane application. Here we go. And then you can file open desktop. I'm glad I separated those. All warriors. H, H, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. I hope that saved. That better have saved. Or did I save it to like some weird file? Oh, here we go. Doesn't even matter. Open up here. This guy. File. Open. This might even be faster than my last method. So now we have, I believe, Pudrick? Pudrick. Just cut Hedrick down. Shrink it down to 10 by 11. Ooh, I got it right on. Open up this guy, new layer. First of all, I gotta delete this guy though. This guy, the Jinji head. One, 2, 3. And then I go open erase tool. Wrong layer. Boom. Boom. And then I can now grab this guy on the heads layer. Okay, I made this guy too small. Either that or the feather cap is ruining it. I think the feather cap is ruining it, actually. Whatever. think I might just finish this. Like so. And then, oh, that's on the wrong layer. Ugh. Oh, should be able to just cut. I'm not even saving this layer, so I actually have to go over into all warriors. Open with paint. File, save as, PNG, all warriors, go 03. Close out of that, reopen you. That should have solved the issue. And then I have to delete you. And that is Hudrick done. Next up, we got Luxador. I think we're already halfway through. Close to halfway through. Need another 2 to be halfway through. File. Open. Luxador. And to be honest, the stream's just kind of been going on this way for a while. I'm gonna do just this until I'm done, and then I'll probably put it onto a tile map. That's gonna be about it for me though. Hope you guys, well, nobody's watching right now, but maybe somebody will be watching in the future. And if you're watching in the future, I hope you liked. I hope you learned something, maybe.